Hello and welcome to another Wise Option eLearning. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how to view mares scheduled for palpation, and we're going to be doing that through the mare management and the daily worksheet. So hopefully you would have scheduled some mares here for palpation, and of course it does default for this date to be today, but we can adjust it here in the top left corner if we'd like to see the mares scheduled for the next day or the day before. On this list here, of course, like I said, we are going to be looking at mares that are scheduled for palpation for this particular day. As with any Wise Option grid view, at the top right corner, you will have your list view settings and the gear icon. Please make sure you review this and make sure you have a couple of these vital fields selected. Those are priority, checked, task description, patient, and comment. The other fields may or may not be applicable for your operation, but the columns I just mentioned, I believe, is essential for almost any operation. So please make sure those have been selected to view in this grid view. Again, using the list view settings up here at the top right corner. Again, coming back here to the top left, you do have some options here. Right now I'm viewing palpations only, but I can also select to say all reminders. So those would be any procedures that are set as a reminder for that particular day. So that could be a reminder for a shot of oxytocin or a vaccine. And then also selected tasks only. This field here is if you only want to view certain reminders, maybe only palpations and certain reproductive reminders. You can build your list of selected tasks here, which we'll go into further detail in a different video. Of course, as I move over to the right, I do have my options here to change my scenario, profit center, and inventory location. You may or may not use these depending on your packages and your operation. There is an authorization code here at the top. This is actually how you can actually apply this view here to actually a large TV monitor if in your operation. Of course, you can actually have a smart screen TV and enter this authorization code at wiseoption.com and actually view this daily worksheet on a very large monitor so that others in the operation can also see the screen without seeing it on your computer. More information on how to use authorization codes on boards like this in a different eLearning video. Coming back here to the daily worksheet, of course, I do have a summary of how many reminders here up at the top left. Number of reminders, 57, and one of them have been performed. So I have this here, and you can see one of them here. This first one has been checked. So this one has been set as done. It is no longer as a reminder. It is a procedure. I do also have this quick search bar option here. This is really great if you'd like to search for a particular patient and you're trying to find a particular patient in a list. Maybe you have 150 mares, so you'd like to just go ahead and search for a particular patient. You can go ahead and do so. Other options here below, of course. Here we'll get into more details as we go through the rescheduling process, but these are some quick short keys here that'll help you navigate as you are checking mares, and we'll get into that in further detail in other e-learning videos. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon.